Y'all go subscribe to that channel.
We got the cayenne pepper. And we do got almond milk.
And welcome to the AzanYah Family, man. Out here again, edit. See, we got the trailer unloaded, you feel me? We about to get out here again, man, and do this work on this property, you feel me? Just us, you feel me? Wife in the house real quick, she coming. But we was working on the lawnmower. The motor on the plow didn't work. She went in there, did her little throw up thizzle, you fizzy, and she got it working. We heading that way today. We're going down to the other side of the property and we're gonna get it, you feel me? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. This is our homestead that we trying to turn into AzanYah Farm. Y'all stay tuned. Look at the goggles, y'all. The gnats is taking over. We put peppermint and water on us to repel the gnat.
Peppermint essential oil, yeah.
And she still got goggles on like she about to well. This is the motor that she went in the well. I took it apart. She put it back together.
Yeah, this part right here, it's got the magnets in there. It was seized with rust, so I just went in there and cleaned it with sandpaper, got all the rust off and everything, and freed it up. And I put some more oil in here. Not oil, but what's that stuff called, that grease?
Barren grease?
Yeah, whatever that is. Because it got like a gear inside of this. But yeah.
So it's going here, here, here.
Yeah, like this. Hold on.
Now you can turn it if you will.
Well, it ain't turning now. Yeah. Oh, that's probably because. Well, when I put the power to this.
No, you good, baby.
No.
You good. Yeah, you got to put the washer in
yeah.
Don't worry. I'm out here as a supervisor. Make sure everything gets put back.
Now you my supervisor.
Me gonna put my hand down here, let y'all know I'm a real true supervisor.
Okay.
Ready? Put weight on. Put weight on. There you go. There you go.
Hold on.
That's how they get super. All right. All right.
This ain't all right.
You ain't gonna screw up that big boat.
Okay, now.
Supervisor on the job, on the case. Come on. All right. There you go.
You sure? Slide like that. Okay.
Okay, y'all. So what now? I gotta lift it up from the plow end. Let her pin it.
What side was this pin in on?
This pin was in this side.
Okay, cool. What was that?
Tree falling behind us.
Oh, okay, come on.
No, it wasn't. That ain't the side. Okay, we got it on there. We had to file down these edges. Had some little muffin top. We had to peel it back a little bit. You feel me? And that made it.
No, it's pin it.
It's in the cup holder.
No, I had it when we could put it in last time, but I was big with it. Cause remember I had it down here.
When? Today?
Yeah, we were trying to get it in.
She lost it.
Don't
take it personal.
And this, what is a silver clip?
The clip just wanna be left alone.
That clip is.
You see it?
Oh, that's on the bottom down there. Oh, here it is right here.
There she go. I knew she'd
I don't know why I put it down there. I crazy. That's it.
Okay, y'all, we got the motor on. We got it wired up. Everything's good. And let's hit this switch.
Yeah.
Picking it up. Oh, yeah. I didn't get it. I didn't get it the whole thing, but she was pulling roots up. Hey, I'm walking with her now because she ain't get some of these trees that we need down that's scratching up my truck.
Don't be doing that on the phone so much. So you don't see this over here I did. And I had where's the machete? About there anyway, huh? Look at her.
We see the sun. We opening it up. I'm gonna chop it off. Chopper style. She won't chop. She won't chop. Let them know. Yeah. Well,
Right here. See how it's hitting? I don't think you can allow it to. I'm not gonna need pliers or you better get it.
it's on pressure. We'll take it back up there. She bent the thing.
Yeah, I see it right there.
Wow.
It got stuck in a branch, and I think that
need to be bent up. That's what it is. That down.
Yeah.
Her motor locked up. Look at it. But that thing look like a walkway to the park. In the park, don't it? We still got all that to go. What we doing is, ooh, she in there with her hands, not my baby.
Get it off me, baby!
What? What's on? You got it?
You record me and not even helping me.
Tarzan. Oh. She trying to jump. Oh, get it. Ooh, broke the branch. Superwoman. We try to cut all of this today. So we got some stuff we trying to get out over there. So I'm gonna, all these big pine trees, we're gonna need a chainsaw for that, but we're gonna at least cut their grass and all that. Woo! We ain't gonna talk about that. It's us, we walking back. We widen it up, we widen the road. Yeah, I think.
Snake boots so high.
They hot. Well, yeah, we can. Thought she gonna walk. And we still ain't got inside of there yet. And me and my wife, we were talking about making like a fruit and vegetable forest. And yeah, but we had to clean this road so we can bring these cars over through this way. This the road to the other side. That right there. I don't know. Don't look at it. But yeah, we got to move these trees. But
Can you grab that? I can put it on that while we're going.
what?
Baby,
Baby, I will put it up if that's what you want. But look, we're gonna give you
put it on that pile up there.
I'm gonna give y'all a circular view. Hope there's no snake just lying around in here. Ah, we don't do those. Felt like it was a snake in my hand. I ain't gonna even cap with you. Put it up. We got a little tenderness. And we still got over there. I did try to clear it up so we can walk. We don't do the snake. You dig? Headed back down now. Look, they got grass. Is it sharp?
Dad, we got a whole place right now.
I ain't even done. You see, I gotta get a little lower.
Y'all can see it. Hold on.
Where?
A scuffing muscadine. Let me see.
Where's the mustard?
You see it?
Oh, yeah.
I'm going in. Look at her. But we got it cleared a little bit. I'm gonna walk over there and show y'all. Let me move this. I'm gonna walk over there and show y'all. She picked up her pack. So So yeah, we'll open up both ways. Still ain't done. I'm getting tired for the day. I know my queen, she's tired. But we did open it up. My wife, that's the other septic tank right there in the ground. Might have to put us a house back here. But we was trying to get to this area. Y'all see these big pipes right here? Scrapyard. A scrapyard pipe. We got a lot on. So we're gonna, oh, that's a big one. That's a big lizard.
Yeah.
But we're gonna take
Could
it.
be a big snake in there.
We're gonna load all this up on the back of the caddy and take it to the scrapyard.
Or the trailer.
Or the who?
Or the trailer.
Either or. They look like water pipes though. I ain't gonna even care. I don't know. They might be gas pipes. Who knows? But yeah. We got a lot of stuff over here to cut. We got transmissions over there. You see this? I see that car right there. That's gonna be my next project. We're gonna pull that fucker out of there. But see them big, right? See these pipes and stuff? And the hoods. We're gonna take all this to the crusher if it's the Most High will, to the scrapyard. Mustang 87 is a manual. So I got something for the owner. Said we can have it, so I'm gonna turn that into a little street rod. They had it covered.
Yeah. So and that's a transfer case and 2 transmission.
Yeah.
That's a front wheel drive. This is a rear wheel drive transmission. I think this probably was for the Mustang.
It probably so. But all of that crap.
There's some pipes over here too. You see that? There's some few over there. So we gotta come over here and get all that.
All that pipe. All that gotta get clear. And we're gonna turn this into a shop. We're gonna put some sides on it. and put a big door down here. And there's another car right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know how we're gonna get that out of there, but she gotta come. Y'all can see it. So we good in. So we getting it, man.
You got me sweating today, y'all.
Yeah.
See the little sweat right there?
Barely. But yeah, we gonna close all of this in. I don't know if we're gonna put a pull down or just 2 barn doors. I don't know what we're gonna do with them lights. If y'all know what them lights for, let us know. Drop a comment down in the comment box.
They got a plug on them though.
Yeah, they do.
You can plug them up in the wall.
Mm-hmm. The shit that we gonna clear out and use it for our tools. But yeah, this is gonna be a big shot. Look at that. That sucker huge. You can put, how many cars you think you put here? About 2? On both sides, huh? Yeah, so then I got this aluminum. I got a train. This is a part of a transmission. Right here, it's in the dirt. Yeah. That's aluminum. That's aluminum. That's aluminum. Baby, they got weights out there in that shed too. So I don't know. We ain't done, but we tired. So we clean all this out today. There's a big dip right here. Yeah, we clean all this.
Give me some hot fish.
Yeah.